Well, back down. Bit of rain's over the past couple of days, and it's still raining again now. And it's washed most of that algae out there. So we'll see if there's anything here, but I've spotted one bit already that I'm going to have to take out. Another vape battery. Oh, focus. That's it. Yeah. Another one of them things. And a few bits of white. Probably turn them over till the day. There's a bit here. That's just blue up to the side, plain blue. A little bit of dough ball there. Well, I'll bring you back if I find out on there. Well, thing with this rain, it brightens all the colours up. We have a bit of willow. There's always some willow. That's just a plain bit. Bit of stripy stuff there. I just switched off and I spotted another tiny little bit there. Thing with these tiny little pieces, they don't take up much room. This is what I like. And it looks like there's been an end of year party. Box of Strongbow, Carlin, John Smith, and probably a takeaway. And there's 2 litter bins 50 yards away. Well, Mary sat under a brolly over there, and I think rain's going to stop play for now. It's chucking it down. I'm sheltered on the bridge and try and get some better shots at bridge, but that's the older part. That's the old medieval part from about 1380, I think. It's on a sign across there. I'll put that up. And that's the newer bit when they're winding it in about 1830. The older bit. Lots of maker's marks on the outside. Well, I just had a quick look at on there in the rain, and just one tiny little bit. I didn't get my camera out, it rained. Well, sheltering from rain under the trees here. I'll wait for it to ease off. But a few of the quackers down there. They might come up yet, I don't know. But that's where I was before. And where all the cans are. Under there. There's 2 litter bins there just as you go out. So I don't know why. They can't be bothered to carry it. They can carry them all the way down there full, but not all that way back empty. Yep. Oh, there's one of them coming here to shelter. If it comes close enough, I'll give it some feed. Alright, you don't want it yet, do you? And more incoming. Look, right, I'll just have a few more coming up there now, I think. Well, it looks like my minions are following me. They must think I've got some food for them. Which I do, but not much because others have had it. So, oh, go on. Not your line of food out there. Come on. Oh, you're moving to it now, are you? I'll have to stop filming now, its camera's getting a bit wet and it's not a waterproof one. Well, they've all been fed and watered. They've taken all my food. Oh, food's gone, you know. None left now. Tomorrow, maybe, if we get down. I just found 2 little bits on here. Well, I found a few more, but they're in my bag. That's a nice stripy piece. Well, I'll just turn these 2 bits over. I've had a bit of that pottery the other day. Looks like probably Asiatic. What's spotted? Yeah. Is that a fingernail? With a down Monty on? Oh, focus. Yep, That's somebody fingernail. Well, that's something different. I've not found one of them yet. Right. Well, there's a bit of something there with some writing on. So I don't know. Oh. Probably London. Edge of a plate. Something, I don't know. Oh. Always nice finding printed stuff. Oh, I'll just turn this bit over and I spotted it. Looks like it's got a bit of colour on. A little bit, probably Asiatic. And there's a couple of bits here. Turn them over, see if there's out on it. No. No. Nope. Oh, Mary sheltered under the brolly. It's still raining a bit. Right, the finds from a little trip down the river on a bit of a rainy day. And another one of them vape batteries. That'll go at recycle, battery recycle. And nice big worn chunk of willow. Just a bit at the pagoda there, I think. Well, at the top, and that's part of the other roof of something else. And the trees. And a bit of stripy stuff. And two little bits of blue and white with bits of flowers on. Very nice. Nothing on the other side. But it's nice finding little pieces like that. So I will be doing something shortly, hopefully, with all these little pieces. So watch this space. And the bits from the other side. Faint bit of blue. Looks like daisies or something. I don't know. And more bits of very faint blue and white. That one looks like Asiatic. Probably that as well. And the book's out on that at the moment. So and a stone. I thought it the remains of one of them pot eggs. Could very well be, but it's a bit small, so it could be a pullet or a bantam egg, stone egg, pot egg if it was one. But it's probably just a random egg-shaped stone. And this piece, which is very nice. That should make something nice. And the writing piece. Well, I don't know what that's probably London. And I thought it was a plate, but looking at it, it probably goes that way. That might like be a maker's mark on a plaque or something. Yeah, it could go that way. So it could be a hanging plate with somebody on it, but I haven't been able to find out about it. And the final piece, I'll let my little man bring it to me. And there we are. Not something you find every day. A false fingernail. With a diamante on it. I bet somebody would chase off when they lost that, if they had a full set of them. But it's certainly different. And I forgot to show that bit, which is very similar to a piece I found in another lark on the same area. 60s, 70s plates, I should think. A little bit different and bright. Right.